Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do the Geek Benchmark test on the POCO X8 Pro on the day one after unboxing. And this is my day one of using the POCO X8 Pro. And the POCO X8 Pro comes with a Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset. And this is a 8GB and 256GB storage, which I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So let me open the Geek Benchmark 6 test and let's me try to do the testing. And this is my first time doing the testing, guys. And right now I'm not using any kind of ultimate mode or any kind of high performance mode options in the POCO X8 Pro. And I'm going to show you exactly the benchmark test results, how much you can actually expect in this POCO X8 Pro device. Let's find out. We'll go to the benchmark performance, Geek Benchmark scores. And before I did upload the video on the benchmark test results, and now I'm going to do the video on the Geek Benchmark test results. So in this way, we'll be able to see exactly how much difference you can actually expect in terms of the performance wise in the POCO X8 Pro device. Let's find out on the day one, and we'll try to compare the day one versus next software updates as well in the future. That's the reason why I'm trying to upload a video, especially on the day one of doing this kind of unboxing, just to get a clear idea that how the phone is performing on the day one versus day 50 versus day 100. In this way, we'll be able to keep an eye on the performance on the POCO X8 Pro. And I'm going to be back after some time. Let's see what will be the single core and the multi-core test results. So here's a quick look at the single core and the multi-core performance in the POCO X8 Pro device. As you can see, that overall performance test results. So which is kind of pretty close to the POCO X1 Pro as well regarding the benchmark single core and the multi-core performance in the POCO X8 Pro. And right now I did not use any kind of ultimate mode. So maybe next time when I'm trying to do the test, I'll try to use the ultimate mode, which is available in the battery options. So using that feature, we're going to check how will be the Geek Benchmark test scores will be there in the POCO X8 Pro. I'm going to upload that video very soon. So stay tuned for this video, guys. And in case if you're interested in more videos on this POCO X8 Pro, so make sure to check out my channel videos, which I did upload on the POCO X8 Pro. More and more videos I'm trying to upload. So make sure to check those videos. It's going to be really very interesting to see. And here's a playlist videos, which I did upload on the POCO X8 Pro device, as you can see. So these are the recent uploaded videos. So make sure to check the benchmark test results on the day one, how much benchmarks you did get. So all the details will be available in the links in description regarding the overall how is the performance and everything on the POCO X8 Pro. So let me know in the comment section below what do you think, and in case if you have any other questions or any kind of doubts, so make sure to comment below as well. Until then, stay tuned, signing off. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, and bye.